welcome back to my vlog. Right now we are here in the Museum of Arts here in Souq Waqif. So kasama ko ang mga inday. Ganda dito guys. Hi guys. Ang ganda lang ng ambience dito guys. The ambience, it's good. The structure is beautiful. Hi mga ma. Where are you going? So from Souq Waqif, we are going to Misharab downtown. So lipat ng ambience.
Wala bang tips dito?
Not so sure. Stop na, oy. Halika na. Halika. Dadaan si ano.
See, there's the present. The apple. The flower. That's what I do. Present and Philippines.
Oh, there is exhibition. Let's see. Si Mona Lisa. Some art shop. Hi, how are you? Are you okay?
May bata naghanap ng tea time. Tips? Babalik ka dun sa old. Hindi.
So where we are going now? Next stop?
Laguna Mall.
Laguna. Pupuntahan namin si Jason. Today his first day of work. Back to work na ulit. Si Mama Jason. This is the tram of Misharab Yes. Parang alam mo yun sa atin dito. Saan to?
Ang park yan ng Manila, hindi ko alam.
Alam mo yun sa Pinas yung sa Bonifacio? Sa Global?
BGC?
Sa BGC parang ganito dito.
Yes, but I think it's more like upgraded one rather than we have in the Philippines.
Wow. English and nosebleed ako, friend. Oh.
My mother ads.
Wait.
Wait!
They don't love you like I love you.
Go, brother, go! Yay, go! Gaya ng pagseryoso mo sa pag-hatching mo kanina.
So, ang ganda lang dito, guys.
Ay, ang ganda ng suot nila. Pero, mas maganda kami sa inyo.
Ay! Uy, wag ganyan, Ramadan.
Nahawa ako sa'yo.
Bad yan.
You're so bad. Nahawa sa akin sa inyo. Ano? Your personality.
Metro station.
You're going to Laguna Mall.
Going sa Lagala Mall?
Parang gusto kong ihulog yung dalawa dito. With Team White tayo today. Team White, Team White. Gusto kong ihulog yung dalawa dito parang ihulog. Ramadan today, mga Ramadan.
Today is the 19th day of Ramadan. Yeah.
It's like yesterday. The train to Busan.
Train?
Hindi mo lang kayo ng train to Busan. Magtatago lang ako ng CR. Kaya walang CR sa dito. Diretso, thank you, boom boom. Walang CR dun guys.
Metro.
Sabi mo si Jason sa tren. Andun na si Sumala. Andun na mga zombie. Jason. Mama Jason.
Parang ganda ng lightning dito sa sa Miserep.
Hello. Namiss ko siya. Si Charina.
Hello, Togoy Bobo.
Boba.
Guys, tayo ay mag-load muna ng Metro card. Kasi mga walang load ang aming Metro card.
Information. Asan yan yung pabarya?
Pag meron. Magkano ba yung 500? Doon oh. Doon. So maglo-load muna kami. Ayun.
Ano?
Put mo yung put your card.
Dito?
Pag ganun. Sige. Ganyan lang. Keep it. Then, click this one. Then put the money there. Here, one by one.
Ayun.
Sige, go. Again. Sige.
Kabila mo yung passport. Baliktad mo ng passport.
Ganyan. May punit kasi siya eh. So arte the machine here.
Yung napkin lumabas. Ito.
Okay. Then, congratulations. Let's go.
Take your card.
Thank you. We are going to Lucille. Not Lucille.
The train before boarding.
Doon tayo sa ano. Ah, talaga ba? Let's go!
Sabay na ko.
Train is for Lucille, QNB. The next station is Carnegie. Passengers are reminded not to leave their belongings unattended. This train is for
Kawawa naman siya, wala siyang friend doon.
The next station is West Bay, Qatar Energy. Passengers are reminded not to leave their belongings unattended.
Dito, bastos na bata ka. Bakit putol? Bakit putol, ma? Bakit? Daw. Ano mas...
Way out!
Way out. Baka way in yan.
Exit!
We are out from the metro. So, we are going to that side. So, kailangan nating maglakad. Saan? Walking. Ito so small.
Dito mo sa apartment, so small.
So small, pero
That upgrade.
we have to walk over there. Going to that mall.
Don't cross that.
Now you have to press that button. So the light will turn green. Let's walk.
I'm afraid.
And let's press the other button. Tanga. Nagtagalog. That is going to the Pearl.
Ah, that's Pearl.
Yeah. Pearl.
Next to German Island.
Yes, exactly. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa Laguna, guys. So, let's go. This is the entrance. Now we are going inside. Here it is. Here in the mall, it's too empty. Dahil nga Ramadan. Check someone here. Ito yung mga ano niya, oh. Hanapin natin si Jason, guys. Puro mga toys dito. Si Jason, guys.
Kasi nilagenta namin.
Nag-ayos siya ng hardware. Trolley.
Nagayos siya ng trolley mo.
Oh, nice to see you. Nice to see you, Jason. Welcome to your new work.
New home.
New work. So, dito siya nagtatrabaho ngayon, guys.
Walang dami. Puro mga ano lang. Feeling. Nakuta mo pwede nila konti lang nila. Ayun kasi.
Vlog. Bye, Jason. Uwi na kami, guys.
Uwi na kami. Parang pumunta lang kami sa ano, kasi may tanim sila.
Wait na.
Nasaan tayo dadaan?
Uwi na tayo, guys.